Brad Williams, Excel primed. Total sales by fiscal year. Well, we have two different ways to do this and two radically different numbers. One is working off of the dates, and one is working off the fiscal year. Here we have some product, and we're working off of the date, and then we randomly say month 7 is our fiscal year. And then from there, we're going to slice and dice and saying 2029, we're going to pick selective dates, and everything's going to roll over to 2030. The same thing with 2030. We're going to look at our fiscal year is going to be July 1st through June 30th. And that's why we're going to get crazy numbers here. Here, we're just looking at this information here. And we're just saying if it's 2030, that's going to be fiscal year 2030. And we're just going to look at 2029 and add up those numbers. What's easier than this sum product? Here, because it's in an array, we can look at this information, F9. We can see 0, 10, 23 is not in 2029 because we cut it off at month 7. Then 1 is going to be true. 7-1 is the cutoff. This is not 2029. This would be 2030. And then 8, and then go down. And anything before 7 is going to be true. Everything else is going to be false. And we go down here. We go to 2030, and it's going to be the opposite. F9, go just check out the array here. F9. And you can see 1, and then 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, so on and so forth. It's pretty straightforward. What we're doing here is we're looking at fiscal year. If I can look at this range, F9, 20, 20, 30, and then F5. F5 is just going to go 2029. Here's F5. That is our criteria. And then our sum ranges. And it's so much easier here. Just go 2029, add that, and 2029, and so on and so forth. This is much easier. Trust me. I don't think I need to break it down. You're going to see year, reporting date, B5. We're going to look at the year. Month. That's going to give us 10. Greater than equals 7. We have, this is going to look at this first number. It's going to look at 2023. It's looking at the years plus month. Greater than 7 equals F5. What equals F5? What equals 2029? Oh, I just brought that to your attention. 2029, we have past 7. Past 7, 2029 is false, true, true, true. And if it's true, we're going over to sales and adding. Again, I'll show you. Years, F9, F9. See 2029, 2029, plus month, reporting date, F9, F9. I don't think that'll work. True, true, true. 2029, true. Does it equal F5? I've sliced and diced it enough. I think you guys can figure it out. All we're doing is we're adding anything before 7 of 2029. We're going to add everything before 7, 2030. This right here should be 7/1 to June of 2030. Over here, you can read this. I just tore it apart. Intuitively, you guys can figure this out, and then you can break it down accordingly. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.